Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet Edmonton. Today we have a brand new 2027 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 2LT in the color yellow. Under the hood you do get a 6.7 V8 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. You have your forged wheels, 19-inch in the front and then 20 in the back, your LED headlights. Your front end camera is just in the grille there. And then you have one on this side as well. All right, let's take a look at some of the features they have on the door panel. We do have our memory seat adjusters right here. We have our power folding mirrors. You have your window controls here, and then this is for our top to lower. And then you have your door locks right here, and this is to open the vehicle door. And we have the trunk and the front button here. You have the power seat adjuster with lumbar support. You do have the beautiful yellow interior accents as well. We're gonna get on in. Show some of the features they got. So on the left hand side of the center dash is where you're going to find some information on the vehicle. You have your layout, performance, trip, traction, and ESC. You also have your lane keep assist right here and heads up display. You get a fully digital center dash, leather wrapped steering wheel with the paddle shifters. Left hand side will give you your adaptive cruise control and your Z mode. Right hand side is going to give you your audio controls, hands-free calling, and then the heated steering wheel right there. Oh my gosh, there's a spider. All right. Oh, he's really cute. Okay, awesome. So we're gonna go up here and we do have our rear view mirror that double as a digital one or the classic OG. Going over to the entertainment screen, starting off on the navigation portion. We do use Google Maps in the vehicles. Click there. Vehicle status, My Chevrolet. We also have our Play Store, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. We have our camera buttons here as well, so you get the 360 bird's eye view. We have the settings. We have our climate control there. Wi-Fi hotspot performance, so you have all your stats on your performance. And on the next page, we got the PDR. We have our audio control, which is our AM, FM radio, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, USB, and you also do get the Apple Music and News. We have our phone, Google Assist, News, and Apple Music right here. We have heated and ventilated front seats, and then we have our climate control here as well. Wireless charging pad. We have our gear shifters there, and then we have our camera button, so you do not have to put it into reverse to get that angle. And then behind here is where you'll find your wireless charging pad. Now that we've made it to the back, let's take a look at some of the features they have on the back and the side. We do have our yellow calipers in the front and the back. You also do get the high wing spoiler. You get the quad exhaust as well, and our backup camera is just under the Corvette logo. You also do get your Stingray logo just on the middle. And then you get the power lift gate, so I'm going to click that twice. She is going to open, and then you have your storage space back here. And then to close it, you're going to give it a shut and then a little light push, and it'll do the rest for you. Thank you so much for watching today's video on the beautiful 2027 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. If you have any questions, come on by or give us a call and we will be happy to help you out.